the same child idiot who just freaked out. He's totally pleased with himself. He could be satisfied for a couple months now. Go sit there and let his little sludge brain revel in it on a couch. How could I put it? It's like playing a soccer game with Mexican soccer players and then telling one of the guys, even though they're losing, like, hey, you're winning 10-0. And he's like, sweet, great. And he goes and sits there and he's totally pleased with himself. We're the best. We're doing it. Salah's had a lot of time to change out men, too. He should put smart people in the planes. Like, look at this. This is on my roof. This guy's just sitting here looking at me, doing circles, because he's an idiot. And they're stupid people. I've said this 100 times that I would talk crap and make you act like an ass clown. Look at him waving his plane left and right. He's still doing it. Now he's trying to act like he was on a turn so that he can cover it up, and he's waving the... Oh, what an idiot. Oh, do a bunch of turns, quick. Has a black stripe down the side. Now he's turning directly over my head. So if he wants to be such an awesome big man, real brilliant genius, all I have to do is stand here, talk a little crap, and record him having a meltdown. Because he's an IQ of 4. Look how much he was getting into it. They get into it so much. I think I've seen it all now. At least everything has now been explained to me. I understand everything now.